Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Verge is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, this hasn't changed as much, hardly any from last time. So like I mentioned, as long as we hold above this trend line right here, this is at about what 0.00602, we're still bullish. Now, I just don't want to do anything right now because you have a little bit of resistance, not too much, but a little bit. You got a 50% retracement at 0.0069, and you have a 20-day moving average right below. So, I don't think risk to reward quite checks out at this particular moment. The other thing that you have to keep in mind is, if we just look here, look at Ethereum, Bitcoin. So, I did mention when was it? July 10th, that this was an evening start, and then we were gonna have a pullback, which we did, a little bit of a pullback, and yesterday we had a little bit of a pullback, but then we started to resume higher again, and then now look at this. Depending on how we close today, I mean this could change at the end of the day, so I don't know. We'll just have to wait until the end of the day, but this looks bullish. Now, in order to get very bullish, Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, we have to break higher. So we will have to break in a hole around here, so 0.026 or so. As long as we do that, and then we're in good shape, because then your next target will be what 0.028. That means that all the other alts will rally with it for the most part. I mean, from time to time you get one that doesn't, but we'll have to wait and see. And then we also have to wait and see what happens with RSI. So as long as Ethereum continues to outperform Bitcoin, and then we're in good shape. And then that will make Verge rally higher too. So as of this particular moment, guys, I wouldn't do anything with Verge. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way we're gonna reach out to 7 billion people, and we're gonna help them and train them how to trade crypto. And if you get anything useful out of this video, please send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you and I are making money. So, like I mentioned before, like I mentioned on the last video, as long as we hold this red line right here, we are bullish. Like I said, I don't ever have to be something extremely bad for this to start breaking lower. And I'm not too much of a fundamental guy, but I don't see anything price-wise, price action-wise, telling me that we're gonna, pulverize this trend, not trend line, but this neckline right here, pulverize the 38% retracement and go all the way down to the 200-day moving average. I don't think that's the case. And if we break, and we take out this previous highs and maybe get a little bit of a pullback, your next target is easily the 78% retracement. So now, like I always say, I don't like to get too excited on how much money we're gonna make once it gets here. We have to wait and see what price action does at this particular moment. So right now tells me before I get all excited. So thanks again, guys. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button.